Hi, welcome to Wonks walkthrough video. So today we will discuss about the simple steps on how to sign in to Google Search Console. So Google Search Console is a free web service provided by Google. It allows website owners and SEO professionals to monitor, maintain, and troubleshoot their site's presence. So let's get started with the simple steps.
Step 1, let's start with opening a web browser and type in Google Search Console. Click the Start Now button. Enter your email and password if you're not signed in. And if you are, then it will lead you straight to this section. Now, if you're signing in for the first time or attempting to add a new website URL, Google will require verification of your ownership. Just follow the instructions provided to verify ownership of the website. The process has different options, by the way. It could be adding an HTML file, HTML tag, verifying through Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager, or even domain name provider. So once you've chosen and you've verified the website, you can now start viewing the data, reports, and tools related to your website performance. More about Google Search Console navigation and reporting will be discussed in a separate video, so please check it out. So there you have it, easy steps. Thank you for watching this video.